Are your current dispute letters not giving you the results that you really want? If the answer is yes, you definitely want to continue watching this video. If not, you probably want to hit the skip button. You see, I know how you feel because I was in the same situation that you're in right now 7 years ago when I had really bad credit. And that's why I wrote the book Hidden Credit Repair Secrets, to help consumers improve their credit scores and help them get better results when writing dispute letters. You see, when it comes to improving the credit score or writing great dispute letters, I cover 101 credit secrets in my new guide called Credit Secrets Gurus Don't Want You to Know. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 of those secrets right now. Secret number 1. Getting a copy of your credit report and then analyzing your credit report for errors. If you don't know how to analyze your credit report for errors, how can you prepare a correct or proper dispute letter? So that's number 1. Number 2. Once you find the inaccurate information on your credit report, you then need to draft a dispute letter. Now, in that dispute letter, you have to tell the credit bureau why you feel a particular account is inaccurate. Now, if you don't tell the credit bureau why you feel this particular account is inaccurate, that can cause the credit bureau to not investigate your dispute. Secret number 3, detail. You see, when you find something wrong on your credit report, what I want you to do is go into detail on why you feel this particular account is inaccurate. You see, don't just say, well, it's not mine, but explain to the credit bureau why you know for sure it's not yours. And if you have proof, make sure you attach the proof when you send out your dispute letter. That tends to make the credit bureaus do a deeper investigation. It can produce better results when the credit bureaus complete their investigation. Secret number 4. Never ever send a dispute letter without sending the proper proof of identification. Always send a copy of your license, a copy of your social security card, and a copy of your current utility bill. You see, when you do this, you show the credit bureau that it's you that's sending this information and not a third party. And when you do that, the credit bureaus tend to take your disputes a little bit more serious and start their investigation. Secret number 5. Always send your dispute letters certified mail. You see, if you send them certified mail, you have a guarantee that the credit bureaus received your letter. And because you know that they received your letter, they have to follow the law by investigating your dispute within a 30-day period. So you should allow the credit bureaus 5 days for the mail to go to them and 5 days for the mail to come back to you, for a total of 40 days. If you don't receive anything back from the credit bureau in 40 days, you have to start filing complaints. All right, so now that you got all 5 of the secrets, I want to give you the rest of my 101 credit secrets. Just for watching the video all the way through, I want to give you 10 powerful dispute letters that's going to help you improve your credit score. And not only that, I want to give you 101 credit secrets. Weekly tips, I want to give that to you right now. And all you have to do is click the link below if you're on a desktop, or if you're on a mobile phone, click the link up so I can give you 101 credit secrets and my 10 powerful dispute letters to help you get better results.